Solution 3. If you still are unable to detach Xref, you might have a block with the same name of your Xrefs. Let's take a look at this example. If you try to remove or detach this external reference, the following error shows: no matching Xref names found. You can also have other errors such as Xref has multiple references not detached. This is because the Xref has been defined within a block in the drawing, probably coming in via copy-paste action from another file. To solve this, find your block if you can and remove it. Make sure no blocks are present in model and paper space that contain the Xref. Then issue the purge command to remove the block definitions. The Xref should then detach via the Xref palette. But if problem persists, like with this drawing, it is because blocks still exist on your drawing. So go ahead and double click on Xref you want to detach. Press Ctrl C to copy Xref name. Type rename on your command line and press enter. Select block and paste Xref name pressing Ctrl V. Here, type any other name for your block. As you can see, this helped you remove unreferenced Xrefs.